I wanted to show you the Hamilton Captain America, but I received this recently and I want to unbox it. Let's see what's inside. I'm Francois, and it's time to watch. So let's use this to open it right away. Let's not lose any time. So this is something that if you follow my channel, you've already seen very recently. And, you know, I just couldn't resist. So here is me unboxing a very historic watch, let's say. Oh, there you go. Maybe you've already guessed. Yes, there it is in the bottom of the box. It is a G-Shock. So if you followed my live event recently, I had a G-Shock giveaway, and this is the exact same watch. I couldn't resist, so I bought myself one. And here it is, the M5610U. We love that. It has the new module, and I'll show a few of the improvements on this new module. Here it is in its box with the standard wording. Look and feel. At the bottom of the box is just the normal module and instructions, and here is the watch. So it really looks like the very first watch with the look and feel. And let me just take this off and show it to you directly. Oh, I think I'm on the wrong side. Just take it out. Look at this closer. And I really couldn't resist because this watch is a classic. And there are inside, like I said, that new module, I'll show them to you right away, is that if you see on the case back when you order it, even if it's not indicated in the website, you see that it's the new module, that 3495 right there. And you see the model number as well. So let me just turn this around. There it is, 5610U. So that's the right module, I should say. There are two features in there that I'll show you right away, and one of which is the date, the date format, I should say. So when you press and hold, you go through the different features, one of which is the home time. And when you circle through them, you get at a point where you can modify the date format. And there it is. So it's month and day, but you can change it for day and, oh, that's the wrong button, I think. There. Date and month. I rather have it on that, but there's also the other one. Once you're done, you just press and go to the second. It's the light. The light feature, if you see here, it's a LED light on the side with a backlit, but it doesn't stay long, but that can be adjusted. So you press and hold, and then again, you circle through the different items, and you get to a point where that's the key beeps, where every time you press there's a beep, and there is the light. So this is 1.5 seconds, but you can change it to 3 seconds, and that's the one I prefer. So that's where I'll leave it. And obviously there's also the fact that there's new technology. There's the cell for solar capabilities, and also the multiband 6, where you see here the code RCVD, where it received the signal. So it's a great look and feel, and it's a solid watch. It's a classic, and I'll put it on my wrist, but I have nothing now. I won't show it to you. It's right here. It's part of another unboxing, and you'll notice that this box is kind of open already, but I won't show it to you right away. I'll show it in a future unboxing. Let me put this on my 7-inch wrist, and then we'll conclude everything. Here it is. So it has the same type of buckle as the 5600 series. It has room to grow, and also for smaller wrists. And there it is. So this concludes this unboxing. I wanted to make it quick. I love this watch. I hope you love this watch. And if you do, of course, don't hesitate. Press the like button. And I truly thank you for tuning in. And I hope to see you next time.